Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Lay the AirTag face down on a clean, stable surface so nothing rolls away. Press down on the stainless steel back with your thumbs, then twist counterclockwise about 45 degrees until the alignment marks line up. This relieves the spring pressure and lets the back pop off safely. Once done, lift the cover straight up. You'll expose the silver CR 2032 cell. Do this gently to avoid bending the contact plate. Precision prevents future connect. With the back removed, you'll see the CR 2032 3V coin cell with the plus side facing up. Use your fingernail or a plastic pry tool to lift one edge gently. Do not use metal tools that can short the cell. Once the cell starts to tilt, slide it out slowly. This protects the spring clip and contact plate. While the battery is out, check the contacts for dirt or corrosion and clean with a dry, lint-free cloth. Because good contact ensures reliable power. Place a fresh CR 2032 into the compartment with the plus side up, making sure it sits flat and the metal spring contacts press firmly against it. Once seated, align the 3 tabs on the cover with the slots, press down and twist clockwise until you hear a click. That secures the seal and restores contact pressure. If the AirTag doesn't chirp, make sure the battery is oriented correctly and the contacts are clean if needed. Reseat the battery and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.